Hello and welcome to the 27th lesson of the Dothraki tutorial. Today we will be focusing on simple nominalization and manner adverbs. Some vocabulary before we begin. Starting with the adjectives this time. Manimven, anxious, nithmen, painless. And now for the verbs. Es-salat, to return. Layafat, to be happy. Now for the text. Anha ajak aj yalaan ki atjilari. Yalli ficha aj anni ki atchomari. Yer ayoli ki atmanim venari. Me esae ki atnith menari. Yer lani maan ki atlayafari. Majin yeri thiri ki atlayafari. Mai anni asta anhaan ki athyofiri. Me yofie hajinaan me anha jolin hadaen ki ath esinari. Alright, grammar time. Nominalization is creating nouns from words of others' parts of speech. For instance, in the sentence, to forget is human. To forget has been nominalized because it's being used like a noun. However, Dothraki nominalization is not as simple as English nominalization. There's a special process to it. First, we're going over the nominalization of verbs. First, identify the verb you want to nominalize. Let's use one from each verb type, for instance. Let's use garvolat, which means to hunger for, and chomat, which means to respect. Then you drop the ending, so that leaves us with garvo and chom. Add ath before the word you just made. So that leaves us with ath garvo and ath chom. Finally, if the verb you've chosen is an LAT verb, add zar to the end. Now, on the other hand, if your verb you're dealing with is an AT verb, you just add ar to the end. So garvolat becomes ath garvozar, and chomat becomes ath chomar. To nominalize adjectives, first add ath in front of your desired adjective. Then, if it ends in a vowel, add zar to the end. If it ends in a consonant, add ar to the end. So esina would become ath esinazar, and imesh would become ath imeshar. These newly formed nouns are declined like inanimate nouns. And now let's talk about manner adverbs. Manner adverbs convey to us how an action is done. The words horribly and anxiously are such examples. If you notice, manner adverbs are usually created with an adjective and adding ly at the end, changing letters if necessary. In Dothraki, we do it with nominalized words. To form a manner adverb, go to the end of your sentence and add the preposition ki to the end of the sentence. Then nominalize your desired word and decline the newly formed noun into the genitive case. And finally, put it after the preposition ki. Your newly formed adverb literally means with and then the noun you're going to mention. Take the word athmanim venar, for instance. It means anxiousness, in case you forgot. So anxiously in Dothraki, ki athmanim venari would literally mean with anxiousness. So for your practice, I want you to practice nominalizing words other than nouns. Also, I want you to practice forming manner adverbs with them, and using them in sentences. Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. Dothras check.